EDaily Conversation.
Hey, Kim, are you busy right now?
Hi, Dan. No, I am free. What is up?
Next week is Sam's birthday. Remember?
Oh, you are right. I completely forgot.
Let us make a big surprise party for him.
That sounds fun. I love surprise parties.
Where should we have the party?
We can do it at my house. It has a big garden.
Perfect. Your garden is beautiful.
What day is best? Saturday or Sunday?
Let us do Saturday evening. More people can come.
Good idea. What do we need to buy?
We need a cake, balloons, and some food.
I can order the cake tomorrow morning.
Great. I will buy the balloons and decorations.
Let us meet at the store later.
Okay. What time should we meet?
How about 3 o'clock?
3 o'clock is perfect. See you then.
See you later?
Look at all these bright balloons.
Wow, there are so many colors.
Sam likes blue. Let us get blue balloons.
Okay, let us get 20 blue balloons.
Do we need birthday candles too?
Yes, he is turning 25 years old.
I found the number candles over here.
Great! What about the paper plates?
Let us get these white paper plates. They look clean.
How much are they?
They're only $5 for a big pack.
That is cheap. Let us put them in the basket.
Do we need music for the party?
Yes, I have a speaker at home.
I can make a playlist on my phone.
Perfect! Sam loves pop music.
Okay, the basket is full now.
Let us go to the front counter.
I can pay for the decorations today.
Thank you, Dan. You are very kind. Hello. We want to order a birthday cake, please.
Hello. What kind of cake do you want?
We want a large chocolate cake.
Do you want fruit on top?
What fruit do you have?
We have fresh strawberries, bananas, and cherries.
Strawberries, please. Sam loves strawberries.
Okay. chocolate cake with fresh strawberries.
Can you write a message on the cake?
Yes. What do you want it to say?
Please write Happy Birthday Sam in white cream.
I can do that easily. When do you need it?
We need it this Saturday at 4 o'clock.
No problem. It will be ready on time.
How much is the total cost?
The cake is $30.
Here is the money.
Thank you. Here is your paper receipt.
Thank you very much. See you Saturday.
Have a great day. Goodbye.
The weather is beautiful today, Kim.
Yes, the blue sky is very clear.
Let us blow up the blue balloons now.
I can hang them on the green trees.
That looks very nice and festive.
Where should we put the food table?
Let us put it under the big umbrella.
Good. It will stay cool in the shade.
I will bring the white paper plates outside.
Put them next to the cups, please.
Okay, I am doing it right now.
Did you finish the music playlist?
Yes, it has 30 happy songs on it.
Let us turn on the speaker to test it.
Music plays? Wow, the sound is very loud and clear.
Perfect. Sam will arrive in 10 minutes.
I am getting a little bit nervous now.
Do not be nervous. It will be amazing.
Let us hide behind the big sofa.
Hello? Kim? Are you home?
Shh, stay very quiet, Kim. Do not move.
The lights are on, but nobody is here.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Surprise! Happy birthday, Sam!
Oh my goodness! Wow! You scared me.
Welcome to your surprise party, Sam.
I am so shocked. I did not know anything.
Look around. We decorated the whole garden for you.
The blue balloons look absolutely awesome.
Sit down on this cozy chair and relax.
Thank you so much. You are the best friends.
Are you hungry? We have a lot of food. Yes, I am very hungry. I did not eat lunch.
I will bring out the big chocolate cake now.
I will turn on the birthday music.
This is the best surprise ever.
Let us light the 25 candles.
Make a wish before you blow them out.
Whew, the party was a huge success.
Sam looked so happy tonight.
Yes, he loved the chocolate cake with strawberries.
Everyone danced a lot in the garden.
Now we have a big mess to clean up.
Let us pick up the paper plates first.
I can put the empty bottles in the trash bin.
Thank you, Dan. My legs are very tired now.
Me too. We worked hard all day long.
But it was totally worth it for Sam.
I agree completely. He is a great friend.
Let us pop the blue balloons before we sleep.
No, leave them. They look pretty in the dark.
Okay, we can clean the rest tomorrow morning.
Sounds like a plan. I am going home now.
Thank you for all your help today, Dan.
No problem at all. We make a great team.
Drive safely. Good night, Dan.
Good night, Kim. See you tomorrow.